So very good morning children. See, the last video they discussed about the shortest distance between two Q lines examples. It's clear? Vector, how to solve the vector form and the Cartesian form. It's clear? Now, in this video, they discuss about the parallel lines, the shortest distance between the two parallel lines. Okay? See, we know the result. The two lines are parallel means the directions ratios are same. That's a very important one result. The two lines are parallel means the direction ratios are same. It's clear? Okay. Now I will consider one line. Okay. First line equation. R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. So first line means I will choose the point A. Here R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda B vector. I will choose the vector form methods. So R vector is equal to A1 vector plus lambda B vector. R2 again R vector is equal to A2 vector plus lambda B vector. Here B vectors are same. Why? Because of simple in the result. Two lines are parallel means the direction ratios are equal. We will discuss about the vector algebra topic also. So here two lines are given the vector form. How to solve? How to find the distance between shortest distance between the two parallel lines? Is clear? So you see the simple result. The distance B is equal to same distance B is equal to B vector cross A2 vector minus A1 vector divided by again the magnitude of D vector. Okay? Here isn't there is individual magnitude. Here magnitude. Here. Is clear? What's the meaning? Okay? Simple. Suppose the given, you will discuss only for vector form. Suppose the given problem given to the Cartesian form, you change the problem is vector form, say the formula. Okay? So vector algebra is a many number of formulas are available. So many results. So maximum to avoid unnecessary formula. Please, what are the major formulas? Clear? So I will give the problem, the shortest distance between the two parallel lines. Only I will discuss about the parallel lines only. Problem is given to the Cartesian form, you will change the vector form and you need to solve. So this concept based on small example. Find the shortest distance between the two lines. Okay, suppose the given problem is find the shortest distance between two parallel lines are given. Okay, but the given problem is find the shortest distance between two lines only. Say given two lines. So identify that these two lines are parallel or Q lines. First you identify these two lines are parallel or Q lines. Okay, so major difference is the Q lines the direction ratios should be different, but the parallel lines means the direction ratios should be same. But here you will check it, the direction ratios are same or not. Okay, here direction ratio of the first line I cap, J cap, K cap. It's clear? Second line direction ratio minus 2 I cap plus 4 J cap minus 2 K cap. Is it equal or not? Is it? Is it equal or not? Is it not? No, this is the equal. Why sir? What's the difference? I cap minus 2 I cap. Is it equal? Because of is a lambda is a scalar. Say. So the second equations, the line, the second equation, I will simplify a small one change. The second equation of the line, R vector is equal to I cap minus J cap minus K cap. Take it minus 2 common. Okay? Minus, suppose I will take it minus 2 common. But here minus 2 lambda. What's the remaining? Here I cap minus here 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Here we will change small change plus 2. Suppose 2. Okay? Here, but here minus j cap minus plus k cap. Is clear? Suppose I will take it minus 2 common. Here minus 2, that is I cap minus j cap plus k cap. This is a fully constant. Okay, so we will choose any one scalar only. So I will choose 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu is equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. I will change it. Where the lambda is equal, mu is equal to minus 2 lambda. This is scalar only. So mu I will take to our scalar. Is clear? So now you will check it. This both lines are parallel because the direction ratios are same. Understood? Understood now? Right. So you will come to solve here. What's the formula? Shortest distance between b vector cross a2 vector minus a1 vector divided by b vector. First I find out what are the points for a vector. Okay, you find out the a1 vector. What's the a1 vector? Here I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, next a2 vector, again you will change as a a2 vector here I cap 2 I cap minus j cap minus k. Is clear? Next b vector is equal to, what's the b vector? So both the direction is the same only. Over here I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Is clear? So what's the formula? B vector cross a2 minus a1 vector. So here b vector cross a2 minus a1. First you will find out a2 vector minus a1 vector. Okay. What's the a2 minus a1? That is I cap. Here we will minus, that is minus 3j cap. Here once minus 4k cap. Is clear? That is a2 minus a1 vector. So using the formula b vector, okay, b vector cross a2 vector minus a1 vector. First we'll find out the new vector values. Determinant of what are the values? I cap, j cap, k cap. Is clear? What's the b vector? Formula is the b vector cross a2. B vector, that's the main coefficient 1 minus 1 1. Next a2 minus a1. Here 1 minus 3 minus 4. This will simplify. I cap, this is the meaning of 4 plus 3. That's clear? 4 plus 3. Next minus j cap. Here minus 4 minus 1 plus k cap. So here k cap minus 3 plus 1. This is simplified. 7 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay. So magnitude of b vector cross a2 vector minus a1 vector. Just to find magnitude here 49 square root plus 25 plus 4. Just to simplify here 29, that is 49 plus 429. Here 18, remaining 1, 5, 7, 78. The square root of 78. Next, the magnitude of b vector. Clear? Magnitude of b vector. So here magnitude of b vector is equal to same way square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to root 3. All the values are 1 1. That is 1 root 3. So what's the distance? The distance equal to modulus of, what's the mean? Square root of 78 by 73. Is clear? This will simplify. Square root of 78 divided by 3. Here we will cancel. How many times? 2 times, 6 times. Therefore, distance equal to square root of 26. This is the shortest distance between the two parallel lines. Is clear? Okay. Here, next video, what's the topic you discuss? Simple. So, the shortest distance between the two lines, 3 topic. Q lines completed, parallel lines are completed. What's the next line? Intersecting line. So, very important topic. The many time asking some 6 mark questions this topic. 4 mark question, many time asking this topic. We will discuss next video. Thank you.